Northern Brazil's Amazon rainforest. A haven for biodiversity and home to over 2 million species, is now fragmented by a series of highways. Rainforest inhabitants are left with two choices: remain isolated in their fragment, or attempt to cross the highway, risking their life. Animals like this golden-handed tamarin hold great significance to the region's indigenous population, the Waimiri-atroari. Each road fatality represents a significant loss. But conservationist Fernanda Abra has a solution: the Reconecta project. Working with the Waimiri-atroari, she's combining their indigenous knowledge with her research. Together, they're working to reconnect the rainforest by installing canopy bridges.
The Waimiri-atroari people, they are the heart of the project. They know everything about the local wildlife, and this was fundamental for us to establish the Reconecta project there.
The team have constructed over 30 bridges, enabling tree-dwelling species to cross over highways for the first time. Camera traps have revealed the outcome of this collaboration. In just 30 days, the Reconecta team recorded the first golden-handed tamarin using this canopy connector. In the past year, the team have recorded more than 500 crossings from 8 different species, but the challenge is only growing. Brazil has the 4th largest road network in the world, and it's expanding. With Whitley Award support, Fernanda's Reconecta project will continue to maintain the bridges and monitor their success. The team estimate the roadkill of tree-dwelling species will reduce by a quarter around the bridges. Fernanda will also expand the Reconecta project to encompass further states, working with the local community to install 5 further bridges.
The Whitley Award is an important boost we need to implement the culture of sustainable infrastructure in the Amazon. For the Waimiri-atroari people, this award honors their history and all the work they have been doing to protect the Amazon. And I believe Brazil can be a role model for sustainable infrastructure in the world.